Welcome to OPENBOX Education. In this video, you will know about classification and analysis of routing protocols in wireless sensor networks. If you like this video, please share and subscribe. Classification of routing protocols in wireless sensor networks. We classify the routing protocols into three categories, namely, Data-centric Protocol, Geographic Routing Protocol, and Hierarchical Routing Protocol, according to the network structure. The first one is Data-centric Protocol. The sensor nodes, deployed without manual calculate in WSN. The data-centric protocols focus on the sensory data, rather than which nodes sensed, and it doesn't depend on the unique identification in whole network. In data-centric protocols, when the node collects the special event, it will forward the data to home node, whose duty is storing the event, rather than store the data itself, or forward the data to external memory, accordingly. When the node queries one of events, it can get the data from the corresponding nodes by attribute name. The second one is Geographic Routing Protocol. The main idea of Geographic Routing Protocol is that the routes are established by the geographic information of sensor nodes. In Geographic Routing Protocols, the nodes communicate with each other and calculate the position by effective localization algorithm. At the same time, each node gets all the neighbor nodes in its communication range. In the process of forwarding the data packages, the node chooses the next hop according to its neighbor nodes and object nodes' geographic information. The third one is Hierarchical Routing Protocol. The Hierarchical Routing Protocol was first proposed in wired network. While it will improve the network performance in WSN, such as the good extensibility, the lifetime of network prolonged, and better energy efficiency, etc. In hierarchical routing protocols, in WSN, all the nodes whose energy is much more relative will be the cluster heads, and the nodes with less energy will be the cluster nodes. The cluster heads deal with the data and forward it to the base station, while the cluster nodes collect the data and forward it to the cluster heads. It decreases the energy consumption effectively. Analysis of routing protocols in WSN. Sensor Protocol for Information via Negotiation. Roamer Routing. Geographic Adaptive Fidelity. Geographical and Energy-Aware Routing. Geographic Random Forwarding. Low Energy Adaptive Clustering Hierarchy. Threshold Sensitive Energy Efficient Sensor Network Protocol. The table given below is Analysis of Routing Protocols in Wireless Sensor Networks. Please look into the table. You can understand easily. Thank you very much. Please share and subscribe OPENBOX Education.